This is your girl Cyn. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and click the subscribe button and become part of the tribe. Now, this video is going to be sponsored by Hey Bud. They sent me some products to try, and these are all natural and they're made with hemp seed. Now, why hemp? It harnesses the power of hemp seed oil. It's full of omega-6, omega-3 fatty acids in perfect ratio and helps clear acne, blackheads, and blemishes. Now, everything about these products are all natural. It has green tea, hemp seed oil, hyaluronic acid, kaolin, and bentonite clay. Now, what I love about these products is that it's good for sensitive skin, it's cruelty free, and it's also vegan. Now, what I love about this cleanser is that it gently cleanses impurities without stripping the skin. Now, I don't feel dry after using this cleanser. It's also suitable for all skin types, ideally for oily or acne prone skin. Ideally, I do have combination skins, but this cleanser was so light on my skin. I just felt so refreshed. Also, this cleanser smells absolutely amazing. I like to focus on my T-zones because that's where I seem to have a lot of oil lately, because we're going into the summer and it's going to be a lot more hot and humid here in Miami. So I just want to make sure that I'm taking all the impurities out of my pores. I like to gently massage cleanser into my skin to make sure that I'm getting all of the dirt and impurities off of my face. Then I'm going to pat my skin dry. You always want to pat, not rub. Now I'm going to go in with their bentonite clay. This was my favorite product out of everything that I received. Now, this is good for detoxifying and clearing congested skin. Now, it doesn't compromise on protection thanks to the hemp oil seed and the kaolin and the bentonite clay, but it does reduce acne, scarring, and blackheads while keeping oil levels in check. There's a bonus. It does come with a furry brush. Also anti-inflammatory with avocado oil and green tea. It's suitable for all skin types, ideally for oily, acne prone skin. Now, this fades scars, so if you have some scarring from previous acne marks, this will help blend or fade the scarrings that were left behind. Baby, now we can close. Let's go. Let's go. Don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. On for about 10 to 15 minutes as directed, and as I was leaving it on and letting that marinate, I decided to do a little bit of dancing. I did grab some wine as well to kind of relax. This is how I wind down for the night, to kind of get myself ready for me to get to sleep. It's really important for you to find a routine and kind of just have fun with it. Life is too short. Now, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I do respond to all of my comments down below, as you guys can see. It does help out my channel, and I appreciate you guys. So now I'm taking off the mask, and I did really have a little bit of a hard time taking it off, but it just reminds me of the Aztec clay mask, and I just went and pat off that clay mask off my face, and my face was snatched. Look how clear my skin looks. Absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to use the Smooth It Over serum all over my face. This is the perfect barrier repair to reduce hyperpigmentation and to protect against free radicals. Now, this is to kind of even the skin tone. This serum is suitable for skin types that have tired skin, or there just seems to be some sort of damage to your skin, whether it's from the sun, whether it's from just not wearing SPF. What I love about these products is that it has vitamin C. So vitamin C protects against free radicals, but it also evens out the skin tone for a brighter complexion as well. So if you're wanting that overall tone, this is going to be a great product to get brighter skin. I'm putting a lot of effort into my skin, especially like as I'm getting older, you want to make sure that you're taking care of your skin to prevent wrinkles, to prevent damage to my skin. Especially living out in Miami, it gets pretty hot here, and you want to make sure that there is a barrier. You want to make sure that you're using SPF as well to make sure that you're protecting your skin. Now I'm going to be using the moisturizer that came with this kit. This is a game changer. This is a dynamic gel moisturizer that is heavy on hydration, up to 72 hours, y'all. 72 hours of hydration. It's so lightweight, and it does have a gel texture without a greasy residue. It balances oil production, and it also prevents breakouts. So this is ideally for skin types with oily or acne prone skin. My skin feels so comfortably hydrated. It controls oil. I don't feel like I'm wearing a mask throughout the day. It also cleared redness from my skin, and it also left my skin feeling absolutely so supple. Now, if you haven't been doing lymphatic drainage massages to your face, you are missing out on life, honey. I do this about almost every night, and this is to kind of clear that jawline, give me a clear jawline, and to also make sure that all the excess fluid from my face so I don't look so bloated in my face, and to also make sure that I just look really chiseled. I've been doing lymphatic massages in certain areas of my body, and I've been seeing that my body hasn't looked so bloated lately, and it has been treating my body absolutely amazing. Now, if you want these products, they will be listed down below. Make sure that you guys grab these products. They are a game changer to skincare. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Work it, baby, work it, baby.